Kevin with Black Comb Co. Today we're going to be highlighting Beard Balm from Olio. It's all natural, vegan friendly, gluten free, all the good stuff. So what Beard Balm does is just give the beard nice control. So if you got wiry beard like this, it'll help. A little bit goes a long way. Just put it in your hands, emulsify it, break it down. So your hands are just shiny, so it doesn't really look like anything but oil. Then just work it in the beard. Kind of put it into the shape that you want it. Run it through the mustache, pull it out. Once you get it separate or in there, work it from the skin all the way to the end, root to end. And then finish off with your comb. Comb it through. Make sure it's on all the hairs so that you get that real nice, smooth hold. And just like that, got a great looking beard.